हाय एवरीवन, हम एक और एपिसोड आपकी कहानी विद दीपक परवानी के साथ हाजिर हैं। हमारे आज के गेस्ट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग हैं। इंटरेस्टिंग इसलिए कि वो सिर्फ गेस्ट ही नहीं, मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं। मेरे 30 साल के करियर में उनके साथ मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स भी किए हैं, जिन पे बहुत सारी हमारी लड़ाइयाँ भी हुई है और हमारी दोस्ती जो है और स्ट्रॉन्ग भी हुई है। दोनों बहुत ही पावरफुल पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं। मैं उनके बारे में क्या कह सकता हूँ। जो हमारी पहली पर्सनालिटी है, उन्होंने पाकिस्तान का फैशन सीन, मेकअप और आर्ट डिफ़ाइन किया है। बहुत सारे वीडियोस में उन्होंने काम भी किया है। बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनमें अली ज़फ़र हैं, शान है, वीडियोस हैं जिनमें छन्नो है, और खुद भी वो बहुत सारे वीडियोस का हिस्सा भी रहे हैं, जिसमें उमर आदिल का वीडियो हो गया, अली अज़मत का वीडियो हो गया, फ्यूजन का वीडियो हो गया, क्या कहते हैं, और फॉन्डली उन्हें 90s में मिस्टर फ्रॉडिये भी कहा जाता था। द वन एंड ओनली तारिक अमीन। How are you, Tariq?
I am very well. Thank you for having me on the show.
Thank you for coming, and it is an absolute pleasure. Let me introduce my second guest now. मेरे दूसरे गेस्ट मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त भी हैं। उनके साथ अगर मैं कहूँगा कि अगर 30 साल का मेरा करियर रहा हो, तो उनका और मेरा करियर काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स में साथ हमने काम किया है। He has done some of the most iconic work in Pakistan, जिनमें खमाज बाय फ्यूजन, अली अज़मत का नारे ना, बहती नार का वीडियो ऑफ रश्क द बैंड, और ऑफ कोर्स लेटेस्ट उनका प्रोजेक्ट बाजी द फिल्म, द वन एंड ओनली द फैबुलस साकिब मलिक। How are you, Sakib?
I'm good. Thank you for that very gracious and kind introduction.
Not at all, not at all. It is a pleasure to have you here. Okay, on the hot seat with the two of you. Two icons of Pakistani, I would say, fashion and film industry. So it is a pleasure कि आप लोग आए हैं और आपने हमारा क्या कहते हैं अपना टाइम दिया डॉन के शो पे।
आपके लिए कुछ भी हाजिर है।
Coming to you, you had an incredible illustrious career. Okay, 40 years down the line, there's nothing लोग कहते हैं जो तारिक अमीन ने ना किया हो। आपने वीडियोस में क्या कहते हैं एक्टिंग भी की है, आपने वीडियोस में मेकअप भी किया है, आपने वीडियोस को स्टाइल भी किया है। बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं हु ऑल्सो जिनका आप क्रेडिट ले सकते हैं, जिसमें अली ज़फ़र हो गए, शान हो गए। उनका करियर बिल्ड करना, उनको रिवाइव करना और आज तक उनके साथ क्या काम करना। हाउ डज इट फील टू बी द किंग ऑफ लेट्स से Pakistani style?
It's good to be the king.
It's good to be the
It's
king.
good to be the king. But I'm blessed that I have, that my passion is my work, and I think when you have a passion for something, उसी में आप successful हो सकते हैं. I was just at the right place at the right time when my career started here in the 80s. At that time, there was nobody that was defining fashion, and it was an open playing field, and I wanted, nobody used to get credit. किसी को credit नहीं मिलता था, किसी को पैसे नहीं मिलते थे, सब as a favor कर देते थे। कोई आंटी अपनी बेटी से modeling करवा रही है, कोई it was not an industry, as you could say. So I guess I helped mold to tell everybody that this is what a stylist is, this is what a makeup artist's job is, this is what a coordinator does. So all these different things were defined to what the fashion thing is seen as today. We never got the credit for a lot of things, but I'm so glad that today finally stylists are getting credit, art directors are getting credit.
The industry's moved on.
I mean, there's still a lot of things that are lacking, but yes, we have moved on. In these 40 years, yes, we have.
30 years, I've worked with Sakib Malik on Khamaj, जो कि बहुत ही आइकॉनिक म्यूजिक वीडियो है, बहती नार एंड नारे ना, अली अज़मत का द एंजल एंड डेविल वीडियो, और इनके साथ मैंने बाजी में भी कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइन किया था। ओके, हाउ डज इट फील? यू आर क्रेडिटेड विद वन सम ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक वीडियोज इन पाकिस्तान, और एंड दोज वीडियोज आर रियली द बेंचमार्क फॉर द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट वी आर सीइंग टुडे।
मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है क्योंकि आज हम 2024 में बैठे हैं, एंड these videos were done back in the early 2000s. I think खमाज 2002 में बना था, नारे ना 2003 में बना था, लेकिन आज भी मेरी शनाख्त इन वीडियोस की वजह से ही है, और लोग मुझे इन वीडियोस की वजह से याद रखते हैं क्योंकि ये वीडियोस अभी तक लोगों के माइंड में फ्रेश हैं, और जितनी भी बाकी जनरेशन्स आई हैं उन्होंने भी देखें। So it's amazing that they've still got a life, long after they were made.
I think, Saqib's work, I can interrupt,
Of course.
is way ahead of its time. At that time, we come from a generation where we were not listening to music, we were watching music. It was a generation of MTV, and nobody ever approached music videos the way, we've been on all those projects together, we have worked. So, and it's a team work also. Saqib is a team player. He takes criticism, he takes, everything in a positive way.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, we are from that generation that हम लोग music देखते थे, music, सुनना भी आपको है, मगर visually at that time when Khamaj was made, and when, and doing something that is a period piece, for example, or something as creative as Narina, with a lot of different storylines, including Behtinar. There were things that nobody pushed the boundaries. He pushed the boundaries.
आपके वीडियो बहतीनार के बारे में बात भी करेंगे एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद। जाएगा नहीं, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन अभी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है साकिब मलिक और तारिक अमीन के साथ। आपकी कहानी विद दीपक परवानी। वी बी राइट बैक। Ladies and gentlemen, we're back with आपकी कहानी with Deepak Parwani and two of our most distinguished guests, Tariq Amin and Saqib Malik. We're coming back to you, Saqib. आपका वीडियो था बहती नार, आपने रश के साथ किया था, जिसमें तारिक अमीन साहब भी एक्ट कर रहे थे, इरज मॉडल थी, और उसमें आपने आयशा तूर के बाल काट दिए, उनको गंजा कर दिया था।
गंजा मैंने किया था,
गंजा आपने किया था, फिर वो वीडियो बैन हो गया। बैन क्यों हुआ आपका वीडियो?
वो बैन इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि उसमें कुछ थीम्स ऐसी थी जो थोड़ी सी मुख्तलिफ थी, थोड़ी सी टची थी, तो थोड़ी सी प्रोवोकेटिव थी। तो आई थिंक
ये पेमरा का बैन था।
हाँ,
ये पेमरा का बैन था।
उस जमाने में पेमरा वेमरा कुछ नहीं था। उस जमाने में बेसिकली 2 चैनल थे, एक पीटीवी था और एक एनटीएम था
जी।
और उस वक्त तो आई थिंक ये डिजिटल मीडिया भी नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ था, देयर वाज नो यूट्यूब और एनीथिंग। तो एनटीएम पे बहुत चला था वीडियो, बट जब वो चला तो कुछ उस पर लोगों ने कंप्लेन की होगी, क्योंकि ज़रा से डिफरेंट था। मैं बता नहीं सकता, मैं चाहता हूँ खुद लोग जाके उसको देखें और खुद डिसाइड करें। तो फिर बैन हो गया था, मगर उसके बाद फिर दोबारा उसको इट केम बैक ऑन एंड इट्स स्टिल देयर। इट्स काइंड ऑफ
most of the videos जो बनाए हैं, they've been banned. Mr. Fraudier was banned.
Yeah.
He did that.
Because music videos in those days weren't a commercial thing. बहुत important बात तारिक ने की है कि in those days it was an act of passion. हमें अगर कोई creativity दिखानी थी तो हम म्यूज़िक वीडियोस बनाते थे। मैं essentially एक एड फिल्म मेकर हूँ। मूवी इंडस्ट्री और ये ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री का जो सब रिवाइवल हुआ, ये सब उसके बाद हुआ है, 2000s में हुआ है। तो उस दौर में अगर आपको कोई क्रिएटिविटी दिखानी थी तो म्यूज़िक वीडियोस वाज द वे। तो उसमें हम ऐसी थीम्स एक्सप्लोर करते थे, ऐसे आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर कर सकते थे, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन कर सकते थे। तो दौर ही और था।
Revival of music was also taking place at that time.
Pakistan was sounding its new sound.
There was amazing music coming out of Pakistan.
True.
Anything that was not Bollywood. I mean, the music that every video that we have worked together in a project has been a #1 song.
True. Also remember, it was after...
We must have been doing something right.
From Mr. Fraudier to Mr. Style Mafia. You've been accredited with both. Anything that you would like to say?
Mr. Fraudier was, like, I don't know anybody else that could have done that role. It was just, you
were born to do it.
It was just such a fun role to do. And, Amna Haq is in that video. Waqar Khan is in the video. Waqar. And if you look at it now, it's just as fresh as it was 25
Uski
years
sound
ago.
Bhi, like the sound is still really good.
An amazing awaz. It was an amazing song. It's so catchy, radio friendly. I mean, that was the time when everything was coming about. FM channels were starting, MTV was coming into Pakistan.
The whole media birth of modern Pakistani media.
It kind of exploded, and that was a song that defines, like a moment in whatever you want to call it, television history, film
media
history,
industry, media industry.
आपके बारे में कहा जाता है कि स्टाइल माफिया एक वर्ड आपने कॉइन किया और उसमें सिर्फ कुछ लोग थे जो कि उसका पार्ट हो सकते थे, हिस्सा, और बाकी इंडस्ट्री को आपने निकाल दिया. इट वाज ऑल अबाउट एक्सक्लूसिविटी एंड नॉट इंक्लूसिविटी.
Well, those were the years of exclusivity and not inclusivity, you know. So I mean, you just do with you just go with the times. I think it's a big honor to be a part of the Style Mafia. I still feel there's a dearth of stylists that really know their art history, their
Influencers.
Even the fashion history.
Yes, I mean, there's not many people who can even spell Balenciaga. Do you know what I'm saying? So, and faking it from like a copy from, Pat Pong is not going to cut it. A Balenciaga t-shirt costs like 2.5 lakh rupees. You see every Tom, Dick and Harry wearing one. Do you think it's a real Balenciaga t-shirt? Not at all. Our stars wear fake clothes. Fake Gucci, fake Prada, fake Balenciaga.
I get the picture.
You get the picture?
Recently you've done 2 videos. आपने एतबार किया with ज़ेब एंड हानिया.
मगर उसको भी कोई 10 साल हो गए, 12 साल हो गए.
आपका बुढ़ापा बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है.
वक्त पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा है.
बुढ़ापा तो इनसे बिल्कुल, इनसे तो जवानी टपक रही है. आप बुढ़ापे के बारे, that is me sticking with that.
And recently you've done a video with शफकत अमानत अली खान and आबिदा
परवीन and शफकत अमानत अली खान के साथ. It's called लग़्ज़िश मस्ताना.
क्या बात.
It's a very
how was the experience of working with शफकत and आबिदा?
I took on the video क्योंकि एक ऐसा मौका था. मैंने कहा शफकत अमानत अली and आबिदा जी together, it's going to be really amazing. तो बिल्कुल बेदाम शाह वारसी एक बड़े मशहूर राइटर थे, अपना सूफ़ी वर्सेस लिखते थे वो. तो उस पर इन्होंने एक परफॉर्मेंस की एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट रियली गुड. वेरी डिफरेंट, वेरी खास. मतलब उसकी लैंग्वेज बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बट द मैसेज इन इट इज रियली लवली. एंड देन यू गॉट द 2 greatest legends of Pakistani music together.
Absolutely.
2 of the greatest legends.
You've had your own show also, Tea with Tea.
This is the first talk show in Pakistan. Everybody's forgotten about it, but it was the first talk show in Pakistan with the first animated. I like doing firsts. I've done many firsts. You know that.
You've also been the brand ambassador for Sansar. How was that as an experience? First male brand ambassador.
Only male brand ambassador.
आपने दुनिया में हर जगह पे काम किया है. You've been to London, Paris, New York. You worked for Vogue. You worked for lots of Indian magazines and publications out of Dubai, publications out of Pakistan. अगर कहना चाहिए on the broader level कि ऐसा कोई काम है जो आपने नहीं किया?
बहुत से काम हैं, वो अभी भी करने. They're on the wish list, the bucket list, whatever you want to call it.
Let's hear 2 things from the bucket list.
Done London Fashion Week. I've done Paris Fashion Week. New York would be nice. We were meant to and going to go do one thing which fell through with Niloufar for the World Fashion Council, but that show got cancelled on the last minute. We were in New York, ready to for this fabulous garment that she made, the Tree of Life, which was the whole story. I mean, Niloufar is par excellence, one of the best designers we have in the country. And she does a lot of research on her work and her pieces. So that's one thing on the bucket list. And maybe a part 2 of Mr. Fraudier. You never know.
There should be a part 2 because Mr. Fraudier, actually, the story of Mr. Fraudier is still very alive and has made a comeback.
Hold that thought. We'll take a small break, ladies and gentlemen. Right back to talk about Baji and Saqib's latest film project. जाइएगा नहीं कहीं पर. आपकी कहानी with Deepak Parvani. We'll be right back after this break. Hi everyone, we are back with Aapki Kahani with Deepak Parvani and of course the iconic Tariq Amin and the fabulous Saqib Malik. Film Baji.
जी.
क्या कहेंगे आप बाजी के बारे में?
बाजी के बारे में मैं यही कहूँगा कि
और जो बाजी उसमें काम कर रही है उनके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
Well, I mean, people always ask me what it was like to work with Meera, and Meera was great.
We love Meera.
Yeah.
The whole country loves Meera. She's a superstar of.
एक बड़ी मशहूर कहानी हुई थी कि सुना है कि उन्होंने आपको कोई माई कुलाची पे वो गाड़ी से उतर के भाग गई और आप उनका पीछा कर रहे थे और आपको मीरा नहीं मिली, वो किसी रिक्शा टैक्सी में,
कहानियां तो बहुत है,
किसी टैक्सी या रिक्शा में बैठ के वो चली गई।
कहानियां तो बहुत हैं, अफसाने भी बहुत हैं, लेकिन लेट्स जस्ट से कि वो फिल्म बन गई, चल गई, रिलीज हो गई, हिट हो गई. It was a very exciting journey.
It was a labor of love for
It was a
Saqib.
labor of love, and I think for
Nobody
Meera,
can bring that kind of star power which he did in Love Mein Gum. He even did it in Baji, in that the party. I mean, only Saqib Malik has that.
That's true. He's always had that star power.
I'm.
Would you work with Meera again on a film project?
yes, I would. I think Meera ke saath, I would love to, because she's extremely talented. She's got a great face, like unka chehra bolta hai. You know, you don't have to do anything. You put her there, and there's a story. Her face has 1,000 stories. The thing with Meera is that when she's on camera, she's great. लेकिन उनके कान भरने वाले बहुत लोग होते हैं, और फिर वो she gets caught up with लोग ये कह रहे हैं और ये हुआ है, और वहमी बहुत हैं.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी इश्यूज होते हैं कि वो फिर बिलीव करती हैं कि उनकी लाइन कट कर दी, या उनका कैरेक्टर कट कर दिया, या ये हो गया या वो हो गया. बट अदरवाइज शी वॉज वेरी प्रोफेशनल, शी वर्क वेरी हार्ड, शी गेव इट 200%, एंड सबने देखी है फिल्म. सो आई थिंक जितनी पजीराई मीरा को इस रोल में मिली थी, no other film recognized her acting potential as much as Baji did. Wow. And for that, I will say thank you, Meera, if you're watching this, and also I will give myself some credit, because it was a labor of love, and I'm glad it worked out.
I'm glad too. Coming to you, you also originated of Islamabad Fashion Week. आपने कुछ सीजन्स भी किए Islamabad Fashion Week के, और फिर वो फिजल आउट कर गया. क्या वजह हुई?
You know, there's no fashion council in Islamabad, so there's no politics. There's politics in the Lahore Council, there's politics in the Karachi Council, which you're quite aware of yourself. I waited a year so that the Islamabad Fashion Week, once we were affiliated with them and affiliated with the governing body of Fashion Week worldwide, I waited a year. We postponed starting the show because I wanted Islamabad to be in the lineup where it said London Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, Islamabad Fashion Week. I waited a year just so it, it was...
It comes on the international roster.
Comes on the international roster as a date.
Yeah.
We had 39 international buyers from all over the world. And the business of, unfortunately, nobody recognizes the fact that ये आप एक business के लिए कर रहे हैं. Fashion Week is there so you can dress the world. I got calls after from कि जी Peshawar Fashion Week कर लें, आधे आपके आधे मेरे. I'm just like, what's going, excuse me? So, you can't, Fashion Weeks are a non-profit. It's not...
entertainment.
It's not fashion has become entertainment in our country.
And that's what we were trying to run away from back in the days.
We have all the networks who have their own award ceremonies, their own, all of these things are splitting up the industry. Everything is being done in-house. So, I don't get paid for doing a cover. Why shouldn't I get paid for doing it? I'd get paid for doing a cover anywhere else in the world.
Yeah, this is the big thing, Tariq, as you've discussed this many times, that Pakistan mein, a lot of stylists, a lot of makeup people just are not paid for doing work. Like if you're doing a big fashion event.
Look, you're giving a best makeup artist to somebody who has never worked in a salon. They have a little box and they do one of our many stars that are out there. Unka bas makeup subah se leke sham tak, whether it's a shoot or a drama. So they have one client. They have no idea what it's like to have a clientele, to run a salon, to work in a salon, to get up in the morning and stand on your feet the whole day and work. So it's all become a very. I mean, how can that person be the best hairstylist? He's got one client. How can that person be the best makeup artist? He's got one client. So you know, आप अपने पैर काट रहे हैं industry में. Nobody does. Everything is and the celebrities are the worst. They all want everything for free.
They do.
Free clothes, do my free shoot, do my free haircut. I mean, why?
I walked out on free ages ago.
I walked out on.
I'm happy to do free if there's something in it for me, if there's some creative possibility, if I'm learning something.
Sure,
it was a great
sure,
opportunity.
you know,
Sure, obviously for friends, it's different.
Absolutely.
Tell us about your latest project. आपने फिल्म का आपने स्क्रिप्ट लिखे फिनिश कर दिया है.
जी.
You're about to venture into a new feature film.
I'm the hero in the project.
Hero आपका
Tariq
behind.
Amin, while he's here, before we get into that, I have to say Tariq Amin is the hero of my life. Okay, and ये मैं कहना चाह रहा था because Tariq is the most inspirational person. आप लोगों को पता नहीं है, but Tariq and I went to school together. I was a very shy, roly-poly kid. Tariq was a creative powerhouse in our high school. और जब तारिक अमीन ने मुझे अटेंशन दिया या मुझसे बात की तो मुझे लगा कि भाई मैं तो अब तो आई हैव अराइव्ड, मतलब मेरी कोई शनाख्त हो गई है. एंड तारिक थ्रू आउट हैज बीन सच एन इंस्पायरिंग फिगर एंड व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन, whatever I've thought, he's shaped my sensibility so much. And to this day, I look at him and I say, like, if there's one person...
I'm very critical of my friends.
No, you're very critical.
I want all my friends to excel.
Yeah.
I have a bhari eye in the sense that I'm a keeda for mistakes.
No, but you're also very inspiring.
Yes, well, thank you very much. And I've always, whether a button was crooked or a shot could have been better, I will tell you.
Tariq Amin is an ideas person,
I will tell you. I will tell him. We have worked together. We have partied together, we have played together, and we have fought together as well.
Yes, I think the three of us, like, हमारी दोस्ती में बहुत फिल्म बन सकती है. जिंदगी मतलब ये दोस्ती ना मिलेगी तो बाहर.
देखिए मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत पोलाइट रहे, क्योंकि अगर लड़ाई होना शुरू हो गई तो टेबल मैंने ही तोड़ दिया.
अब दोस्ती है.
On that note, we just take a small break, ladies and gentlemen. कहीं जाएगा नहीं. Saqib Malik and Tariq Amin. We'll be right back with his new project and his new venture. आपकी कहानी with Deepak Parwani. Coming back from the break, Saqib Malik, your new film.
जी काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, 5 साल हो गए बाजी को. So I've been working on several ideas. लेकिन this one I think is the one that I'll probably go with. Working title film का चीख है. चीख, yeah. Okay. It might change, but it's a psychological drama. And I'm very excited. ज़रा काफ़ी डार्क और ज़रा डिफरेंट किस्म का है. बाजी एक क्या कहते हैं, एक बड़ी फिल्मी किस्म की मूवी थी. ये ज़रा सी डार्क, एजी, ज़रा क्रिएटिव, ज़रा स्टाइलाइज्ड किस्म की फिल्म है.
किसको आप सोच रहे हैं कास्ट करने का?
कास्टिंग में अभी मैं फाइनलाइज नहीं किया क्योंकि ज़रा पेचीदा कास्टिंग है इसकी. इट्स बेसिकली अ मदर एंड अ सन स्टोरी. सो इट्स अबाउट द डायनामिक्स ऑफ अ मदर एंड अ सन. So let's see.
The son is played by Tariq Amin in the film.
No, I'm the dead father.
Actually,
the ghost.
Yes.
That haunts the son.
Yes, I think I'll have to write something specially for that. I've always, whenever I'm doing something, I have to make sure that Tariq is in it.
I'm the Alfred Hitchcock in Saqib's life.
I have to write, create something for him.
In the background.
Yeah, we have to create something for him. But yeah, inshallah, the script is done. अब उसका final काम हो रहा है, and if all goes well, then end of this year or early next year, we'll get into production.
Start shooting. Boys, now we're going to go into a rapid fire round. It's going to be fun. The questions are fast paced, and let's see who kind of gets the
Tariq is going to win hands down.
All right, so we'll start with Tariq Amin. After a long day, किस चीज की जरूरत होती है?
Shower.
Hottest male model in Pakistan fashion industry now?
Matthew Siminu.
In Pakistan?
Matthew Siminu.
All right. Hottest female model in the industry right now?
Hot male models.
Hottest female model in the Pakistani fashion industry right now?
At the moment, Trinette.
I don't know.
Fashion industry or Karachi fashion industry?
Pakistan fashion industry.
React in one word to the following. Fashion weeks, award shows, Insta models or Botox?
Nothing. None of the above.
Favorite international female model of now?
Iman Himam.
कौन से बॉलीवुड स्टार आपको मेकओवर देना चाहते हैं या आप मेकओवर देना चाहते हो?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Definitely. One thing no one knows about you.
That I'm a really, really funny guy.
अगर आप पाकिस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते एक रात के लिए या एक शाम के लिए, तो आप क्या इस मुल्क में चेंज करते?
Just I would want everybody to be educated.
बॉलीवुड में सबसे हॉटेस्ट एक्ट्रेस कौन है?
Deepika,
लॉलीवुड में सबसे हॉटेस्ट एक्ट्रेस कौन है?
Lamna Ilyas.
ओके ऐसा कोई काम जो अभी तक किसी को बताया ना हो जो आपने किया हो?
तो अब क्यों बताऊं? Look at him. Rapid fire.
If you could swap bodies with anyone for a day, who would it be?
Swap bodies. Adam Levine.
All right, he didn't give away much. Coming to Saqib Malik.
Boring.
Favorite celebs कौन है पाकिस्तान में आपके?
Favorite celebs?
जी, male and female.
तारिक अमीन, दीपक परवानी.
Female arm. Playing the
Deepika.
Female celeb मीरा जी.
Meera ji.
Yeah.
Right. Which actors have you slid into your DMs or craziest DMs you've gotten and from who?
What?
Who really? Which actor or actress have slid into your direct messages
Right.
or have messaged you like crazy to get work out of you?
Nobody.
Really?
उल्टा होता है अब तो हम लोग भीख मांग रहे होते हैं, किसी के पास डेट ही नहीं होती.
Which of these actresses would you pick to star in your film? Sabaa Qamar, Mehwish Hayat, Kinza Hashmi, Nawal Sayyed.
Sabaa.
Sabaa Qamar.
I've always wanted. I've done commercials with her, but I think she's a powerhouse.
Describe Hira Mandi in one word.
I haven't seen it and I have no desire to see it.
I wish you had asked me that question.
Describe Hira Mandi in one word.
Pathetic.
Right.
Songs, the music is beautiful. It has nothing to do with Lahore, unfortunately.
If you woke up as the Prime Minister of Pakistan for one day and changed, maybe swapped bodies with him also, what would you change in Pakistan?
Swap bodies with Shehbaz Sharif.
कोई बात नहीं हो
I'd be wearing a safari suit. I'd be wearing a safari suit. नहीं, one thing, बिजली का बिल, पानी का बिल, गैस का बिल, ये हर वक्त चेंज नहीं हो सकते. आपने वही बिजली इस्तेमाल की है, एक महीने आपका 1000 बिल है, अगले महीने 10,000 है. लोग किस तरह जी सकते हैं? यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट. एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड इट्स द सेम. यहाँ पे कोई नया टैक्स लग जाता है, यहाँ पे कोई एडिशनल ये लग जाता है, पिछला कोई कर्जा उतारना होता है तो यहाँ पे लग जाता है. बिजली, पानी एंड गैस हैज़ टू रिमेन द सेम रिगार्डलेस ऑफ व्हाटएवर एल्स इज गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड.
अभी इंडस्ट्री में सबसे हॉट एक्टर और हॉट एक्ट्रेस कौन है?
Okay, so I mean, I still feel that Amna Ilyas is really, Tariq said it, she's a real
So
beauty.
she's the hot actress.
She's really underrated. I think she needs to be doing a lot more work, and she's very hot.
And hot actor?
And hot actor, Babar Ali. I always thought he was
Babar Ali?
good looking. The old Babar Ali.
Ahmed Ali Akbar.
हाँ, Ahmed Ali Akbar.
Ahmed Ali Akbar. All right.
हाँ,
It's a better
Babar Ali
answer.
तो पुराना था
I
ना.
said that.
Ahmed Ali Akbar, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, he's
I
interesting.
said that. I said that.
All right. Fair enough.
But I agree with you. आप गुरु हैं
Thank
भाई,
you.
हम
Thank
तो
you.
आप तो
Thank you.
Okay. Now that you're connected with the fashion industry as such,
जी.
but if you were to cast a male model and a female model in your film, who would they be?
I really don't know because मुझे तो अब किसी के नाम भी नहीं पता. I have no idea who is like.
There's a model under every rock.
Yeah, I don't know their names. I'm not that connected to fashion, so I have no idea.
Khawateen Azad, as we wrap up with the show, anything that you would like to say to the audience as an iconic star of this country?
Keep it simple.
Anything that you would like to say, sir?
It's always complicated.
On that note, it's simply complicated. Ladies and gentlemen, आपकी कहानी with Deepak Parwani. Thank you guys
Pleasure.
for coming. It was a pleasure having both of you. फिर से मुलाकात होगी अगले हफ्ते. बहुत सारा पानी पीजिए, गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है और अपने आप को हाइड्रेटेड रखिए. See you soon.